You're welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can link your email address to your Blum mining app. First, when you open your Blum app to activate your mining session or to claim your rewards, you are going to see automatically on the screen what you are seeing right now, saying stay secure, enhance security by linking your email for another login option. Now, what you do is you go ahead and hit on the link email button. Now, someone may ask, why is this necessary? Well, of course, you know, before now, the Telegram and the Open Network, they have made an announcement saying that if you are not willing to launch on the Tone blockchain, that is the Open Network blockchain, then you should find your way out of Telegram. So providing this email address could be one of the ways they will want or they will use to have individuals access their accounts once they leave Telegram. Now, we are not sure exactly for now how it's going to work out, but I believe and I suspect that could be the reason. If you mind Wave, you discover that they also devised their own strategy for leaving Telegram and some other Telegram projects that left Telegram because they are not willing to launch their project on the Tone blockchain. All right, so to link your wallet address, click on the link email. Then here you are going to input your email address, after which you click on the submit button. So I've input my address. Now I'll go ahead and click on submit. Okay, so I'll click on it. Then it says check your email, confirm to secure your account. All right, so I'll go over to my email right now. So in your email box, they will tell you to confirm your email address, and if you didn't get the email, you have to click on the resend button after you must have waited for some minutes, because of course, you know, millions of persons are into this project and a lot of persons are trying to link their their email address. Okay, so you just give it some time. If they didn't send it, click on resend. So once your account is verified, you log in. Now, if you log in and the notification for you to link your email address is not displayed, if it didn't pop up, what you have to do is you come over here and click on this icon. Then here you are going to see your link email button that will be displayed here. All right, I've already linked mine. So in your own case, you see link email just as I showed you at the beginning of the video. Then you click on the link, then you follow the instructions, you input your email address, you go to your email box and get the code and verify your account. And if it doesn't send the code in the first email, you have to click on the resend button to for them to resend another code to you. All right. Also, the Blum core team, they have given out their airdrop eligibility criteria, and this eligibility criteria involves, just as you can see on the screen here, it says that we are going to have a minimum of 100k Blum points. Then your main points should be at least 750, and you should have a minimum of 2 referrals. Don't worry, I will come back to this. Now look at their roadmap. Okay, the newly roadmap that they released, they said that in Q3 that they are going to have their Blum listing. It says Blum listing token projects to our decentralized exchange and other products, the perpetual features, referral version 2, MPC wallet, Blum mobile application, chain abstraction, and more DEXs integration. So by this, what it means is that Blum project team, they are going to launch this project within from July to September. Okay, that is when we should expect the listing of this token, because that is the Q3. Okay, July, August, September. Either of these months, they are going to list their project. Then you should also take note that here it says that their snapshots has not yet been taken, so there is still time to level up your account. Also, little extra attention to Blum MPs might be helpful. Now, what this means is that they have not done their collation of accounts. Okay, so you still have the time to level up with what they say here as their minimum criteria for their airdrop eligibility. That is, you can still work on this point and achieve this point before they take their snapshot short. Now let me show you how you can boost up your points to be eligible for the Blum airdrop during distribution. So for you to boost your earning, in order for you to get your Blum points, you will have to perform some kind of trade, which they have given here. All right, you click on trade to earn section. Then these are what you are expected to do. You can either launch a token with mempad to get 500 mem points. Then the second one says your token moves to DEX, you earn 10,000 points, trade on mempad, and lastly you trade with the trading bot. All right, so once you do this, you are going to increase your chances of meeting up with the mem points value which they give. Now you can link your wallet. I believe before now you should have linked your wallet address. How I easily got this, I really do not even know when I got 3000 MP, but I think that how they calculate this is based on the transactions that you have done, and the wallet that you linked here, it is inside that wallet that the transaction will be going on. I don't really know because I've not come to this section to click on any of the trade to earn button. No, all I do is the wallet I linked here is my Tone Keeper, and in my Tone Keeper I do transactions. Sometimes I send, sometimes I receive, sometimes I swap some coin. Okay, this is it on the screen, and on the screen here I just have a 0.9 Tone left. So I suspect maybe it could be because of the transactions that I did in the Tone wallet that gave rise to me getting up to 3000 MP. So by this, it means that I am qualified for the airdrop. Now, secondly, so if you want to follow suit, you can as well, in the wallet that you used, you can do some transactions to see whether you come up. Otherwise, the only way you can meet up with this is by clicking on the trade to earn, then you perform this task, the one you see on the screen, so that your points will come up. Then secondly is the Blum points. I have here currently 230,997 Blum points. Well, the Blum point is very easy for you to accumulate up to that minimum, and the minimum they gave is just 100k Blum points. Okay, so for you to boost your Blum point, first you have your daily drop game, which is this very one. You can click on the play button, then you just tap on the screen. I believe you know how to do that. As you tap, you claim this point. Okay, you claim this point, and it works in respect of time. All right, make sure you didn't click the bomb button, because once you click on the bomb button, all what you have mined will go. Okay, this white object, you can click on it for it to pause the movement of the stars or the flowers, so that you will be able to earn more, and by this you'll be accumulating some percentage. I just want to show you how to do it in case you do not know. All right, as you can see on the screen, as I'm tapping, it is increasing, the values are increasing. So this is how you do it in your own case. Now, as you can see, I just earned 143, and I still have 61 plays. All right, I have 61 opportunities to still play. All right, but I won't do that in this video. I don't even have that time. So in your own case, you can do it so that you boost up your value. Now, another way you can boost your Blum point is by coming over to this section where we have the earn. There are different tasks that are here. Okay, in the new section we have, it has its own tasks. All right, in the socials it has its own tasks, on chain, academy. All right, there are many of them. We have the Blum beat, we have the French, we have the farming. So each of them that you click, it has its own task. For instance, the socials. Okay, these are all the tasks under socials. If you have not completed, you complete it. On chain, these are all the tasks under on chain. We have academy. You click on academy. Okay, it has its own task as well. So it's just left for you to perform the tasks that you see listed there. As you can see, all this one, almost all of them I've not done. I just did few. Okay, I just did few. As you can see, stats. All these ones you see that has stats, I've not done all those points, all those exercises. So I've not even gotten the award that they are to give there. So you can do it. If you do this first one, you get 250, second one 250, third one 250, crypto market this thing 250. So it's very, very simple. You just perform the task and your Blum points will be increased. Then lastly, you should have a minimum of 2 referrals. That is what they said. So you come over to the friends section, you check your referral. Okay, I think I also passed this. I have just 10 referrals. Okay, I have 10 referrals, and that is okay by me. I have qualified for the airdrop. Now, if you don't have friends to share this with, in order to meet up. You can, if you have other numbers, you can just register them on Telegram, then you use them to sign up, and you accumulate the number of referrals that they need for you to be qualified. Why I'm saying this is because I know that some of you have up to 500,000, some even have up to 1 million. All right, I never took this project serious, and that is why I just have I think it's just a 231 currently that I have. So in your own case, I know most of you have more than I do, so you can just take the risk. You can refer yourself and meet up with that criteria, or you share, you make use of your WhatsApp status, or maybe WhatsApp groups that allows links. You can share your link there, people can sign up, and then boom, you meet up with their requirement, right? So try and complete all this in order for you to be eligible for the airdrop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. This is what I wish to share with you in this video. Remember, if you have not subscribed to this YouTube channel, you do well to subscribe. Click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that once I drop updates in this channel like this, you get notified. Once again, thank you for watching this video, and I hope to see you in my next video.